friends, welcome to my channel, and let's start a study with me session on this foggy winter morning. So this is my small garden over my rooftop, and have a watch of the flowers. So all the flowers as just haven't their highest look. Actually, they give in a normal natural sunshine due to this foggy weather and due to the rain last night. They have seemed a bit gloomy and gloomy. So as guys you can see, it's a cloudy weather and totally foggy. I will let you see how it looks. So, if you haven't seen the previous episodes of Study with Me session with me, go and check it out, and I will link it up in the description below. Go and check it out. Bye.